everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Dodge Demon Kentucky car, guys. Pretty car. It's a recent body-up restoration. You can see it's finished in Plum Crazy purple metallic. It's got the matte black hood striping. Pretty car, man. It's got a good running, cammed up 340, 4-speed car. It's got disc brakes, got air. It's got one of those Wazoo radio systems that I can't even tell you how to operate. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. It's got Magnum 500, the chrome Magnum 500s. You can see the go wing. Nice car, man. Good, solid, straight Mopar. It's got the pop-out rear windows. Again, car's got air with a 4-speed, and I'll tell you what, drives out really good. Nice and tight, good car. They've upgraded the headlights. I think those are halogen headlights. I think that's what they're called. New bumpers, front and rear. And you see some little touch-up marks, some little things like that, but pretty doggone nice car. Again, it's got the matte black hood stripes on it, dual snorkel hood, hood pins. I think the car was actually an original 318 car. That's for your radio in there. It's got a little dirt on there. Actually, that's probably wax. Paint's nice. Again, pop-out rear windows. Yeah, those windows are a little dusty. My boys missed the windows here. Got a little dust on the windows, but we won't hold that against them. They've had a good day, man. We've advertised 4 cars today in between raindrops, so can't give them too hard a time. Again, go wing. Car's nice and flat down the side. You can see it's got a little mark there on your striping. Probably gas had spilled over, so it's got a little mark in the stripe there. Yeah, nothing I'd mess with. It's just little water droplets on the bumper. Chrome tips. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip. Good looking car, man. Stone peck there in the door that they've touched up. Again, front disc brakes. Air works, air blows cold. Again, a little hopped up 340, nice little cam to it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Weiand intake, does have headers. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, it's been upgraded to vintage heat and air. Front disc brakes, electronic ignition. You'll see the little Accel super coil on it. Again, 4-speed manual trans. And it scoots out good. This thing runs strong. Body's nice and clean. And a little stone peck there. That's a good looking car, man. This car just jumps out at me. got a good look to it. Again, good color combo. Of course, 4-speed with air with a hopped up 340 that'll get everybody going. Chrome mirrors. Looks like new door handles. Door tag. Bucket seats, console, cool shift handle. It's got a little demon on there, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's showing 40,118, so I'm sure that's 140. Factory tach and gauges. And again, it's got a Wazoo radio. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip. That's what I mean by a Wazoo radio. And as Jordy said, it's got, what do you call it, here in the trunk, sound deadener. Does have a spare, it's got the jack. As Jordy says, it thumps. So it must be a loud sound system. I can honestly tell you when I'm driving a car and never turn the radio on. Just a good looking car. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Gauges are nice and clean, nice steering wheel. Again, Kenwood sound system. I dig that little demon handle. Ball. Get fired up, Jordy. A little pitting on that door handle there. Nice little cam to it. You just kick your air on, it works, it blows cold. Car sounds good. You gonna help me, Dale? I can get one. Good sounding cam to that car. As my buddy Scott would say, it sounds like it's popping popcorn. Tach work. Oh, I'll do that again. That was go ahead. Yep, tach works. All your gauges are working. Parking brake works. Jordy, look over there and see if is the oil pressure on there working? I don't think it is.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't think the oil pressure gauge is working, guys.
Radio works.
Radio works, blower motor works. Your fuel gauge are all, and your temp gauge are over there working. Does the reverse light come on?
Yes, it does.
Yep. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us at our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.